Hello my friends, assalamu alaikum. I hope you guys doing well. So today I'm gonna give you the visit of this nice reservoir. Hello everyone, this is Shahid. Look at the beautiful trees. It's nature, and we as humans really love a beautiful nature, and we have to look after this nature. Look at that beautiful water, so pretty. It is so pretty and so beautiful, and I wanted to share this with you, so that's why it says that I can take a little walk and show you all this beautiful view. It is so beautiful. Mother Nature and these beautiful trees look so beautiful. I really love this. One day, I'm gonna go and live in a village when there's no traffic, there's no pollution, and you know what? That's what every human needs. Living in all these cities, and sometimes a little tough for humans. It's so beautiful and so pretty. Look at those woods, so prestigious. I really love that reservoir. I just wanted to share that beautiful view so all of you can enjoy with me and see from this camera eye. It's so beautiful. That clean water, so peaceful. Everyone, I hope and pray for everyone that may God bless and keep all of us safe from all the trouble what's going on in this world. I hope everyone gets peace. I hope guys these little videos, you like these videos, and if you want me to keep making beautiful videos like this, kindly share and subscribe my channel so I can have confidence of making these beautiful videos. I wish all of my students a lot of love, a lot of blessings wherever they are in their life. May God bless them in every step of their life. I really love this reservoir, lovely nature, so beautiful, prestigious. I hope you like this lovely, beautiful video which I'm making. And if you like it, share it with your friends and families, so they love the nature too. pretty. It's amazing. The water is so clean. Okay guys, I want to take off. I hope you like these videos. Thank you so much. May God bless you all. So this is the area, I think this is Shrewsbury. This is Shrewsbury area, and we are going to India Market, which is very nice. It's a very nice area. It's a very good area. Shrewsbury. Love that view. It's so pretty view coming now. I really love the trees. It looks so beautiful. So guys, we gonna reach soon Shrewsbury India Market, and we almost there. I think in 1 or 2 minutes we'll be there, and I'm gonna show you it's a very beautiful building, and it has all the ingredients which you want to buy for making any Indian Pakistani food. You can come here, visit here. And I think they have a very beautiful, yes, they have beautiful restaurant as well. They have a nice, beautiful dining. You can eat nice, good samosas here. They have Christmas tree here too. If you want to buy some other stuff, you can buy Christmas from Christmas tree. So look at that India Market, guys. It is so beautiful. And you can buy so many stuff from here. So we are here, guys. We are here, and let me park my car. Let me park my car. Let me show you the India Market building here. That's the India Market. This is the India Market. Whenever you have time, bring your parents and visit to that good market. It's a good market. I think you can find a lot of Indian, Pakistani, Middle Eastern spices from that store. Also they have a restaurant, but right now I think you can cook your food in home and eat in your home. Right now it's better to just, yeah. So let's go guys inside, and hopefully I can make some nice few clips from inside so I can show you what it's look like in India market.